Hello, I've got this. It's a really cute mixer. I use it for when I'm doing voiceovers and the odd podcast, and even with its ability I can plug my guitar in, etc, and use Audacity on the Mac to record the output from this. Focus. But it's got a few issues. From new, it's always done that, which has really annoyed me. It's only got plastic feet, so we'll address that. Going to make new sides for it out of some cherry from a friend's garden. Yeah, using blackboard on the laser wasn't the best idea for showing you. But let's see if this shape fits the mixer. We've got the tab to worry about. Alright. Let's Dremel that off. That'll make life a lot easier, won't it? All I really need is for these holes to be spot on, line up with these two screw holes. You know what? They nearly do. No, really, they nearly do. The shape's alright. Okay, pencil. So this one needs to go up by 1 millimeter in that direction. And this one needs to go that way by 1 millimeter. That's about right. Let's check that with the calipers. Let's dial in a millimeter. 1.5. That'll do. Yes. Okay, maybe 1.5 on this end. 1.5. Right, I'll make them in, do one more test, then we're good to go. This is new territory for me, so I'm hoping to get enough material out of this. I'll mill it up to make some boards to cut the shapes out of. So let's trim it up, take the waste off, and try the next step. It's all guesswork. I won't pretend. I'd like a new camera. I thought I was recording something. I wasn't. Never mind, I'll save up. I can use Gorilla Glue, because I've got it, but the top drives me nuts. So difficult to open. Residue dries in it. Oh, got a visitor. Hello, Mr. Fly. It's like there's a corpse under the shed. Wants to go in the glue cupboard. I've got the glue, Mr. Fly. Dear Gorilla Glue. How? See? Pulled the whole thing off. Stupid glue. Yeah. I did have a glue bot. I liked my glue bot. I dropped it. It split. Clamps. Well, I said it would. There we go. Well, I'm happy enough with that. It's flat enough. It's flat enough for what I need. It's solid enough for what I need. Onto the planer thicknesser. Let's get it flat. And then we can use the CNC. Well, that turned out rougher than the badger's arse. I think my flatten a bit needs some work. Look at the burns on this. I don't know whether I'm shrinking. No, the opposite. I think I'm getting taller and the tripod is shrinking. Anyway, that yellow stuff is just dust. Rubbish. This is the best option I've got. Talk to my gym. Whose idea was this? This is the best option I've got, some P80. I'll try with that. Awkward bit. Nearly done. This cherry wood is very nice, as in nice dense piece of hard wood. Fiddly sounding time. It's the problem with CNC. It enables people like me to create intricate things without really thinking about the challenges of finishing them. Bit of honesty here. That's the floor right in front of the drill press, which is up there. It's a rolling cart, but I can't move it out because of all that stuff. There is an ongoing process in the shed. An ongoing process of much-o-tidium. Something like that. Can use this as a finish, but what is it with manufacturers and lids? I can't get that off. It just keeps turning. It's got a security lid on it. Well, it's definitely secure. Sometime later, I was able to open the can. Here we go. Look, I've got some beeswax. Pop. That's a good sound. If you like it, give me a like, give me a subscribe maybe. Even perhaps you could pop over to Patreon and support me in that way. I'd be very grateful. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.